Welcome to My Game is Money Investing with your host, Mr. G, the retail trader. First, I'd like to thank you for visiting the channel, as your presence is always appreciated. Let's get started with episode number 3, 5 easy steps to investing in stocks for beginners. Step number 1, find a broker that you like. There are a lot of brokers out there, so many in fact it can be overwhelming to go through all the options, good or bad, and then confidently choose one. So I'm going to give you 5 I feel that is best for beginner traders. So number 1 is TD Ameritrade. Number 2 is Robinhood. Number 3 is Webull. Number 4 is Fidelity. And number 5 is E-Trade. Those are 5 of many to choose from. So of course you have to make your own decision. Step number 2 would be pick a stock. Now, once you set up your fund for your brokerage account, it is time to pick a stock. A good place to start is by researching companies you already know as a consumer. Don't let the flooding of data and real-time market gyrations overwhelm you when you conduct your research. It's important to keep your goals simple. Find companies that make you want to be part owner. When choosing where to invest, take a look at the company's annual report, specifically manager's annual letter to shareholders. The letter will give you a ton of insight that will give you a lot of information about the business and provide context for numbers in the report. After that, most of the info and tools you will need to evaluate the business will be on your broker's website, such as the SEC filings, conference call transcripts, quarterly earning updates, and recent news. Most brokers also provide guides on how to use their tools and even basic seminars on how to pick stocks. So again, your brokerage firm website will provide a ton of tools to get started. They'll never leave you in the dark. So step number 3 is decide how many shares to buy. Now, you should feel absolutely no pressure in buying a certain number of shares to fill your entire portfolio position in a stock all at once. Consider starting small and get a feel for what it's like to own individual stocks, whether you have the patience to ride through the rough patches with minimal sleep loss. You can add to your position over time as you master the stock. So that'd be step number 3. Step number 4 would be choose your order type. Now, of course, there are 2 types or 2 common types of orders really for a beginner. One would be the market order, which is a request to buy or sell a stock ASAP at the best price available. Option number 2 would be limit order, a request to buy or sell stock only at a specific price or better. These are the 2 options. Now, of course, you have to make a really very tough decision on what you prefer as a stock order, but you need to do what's best for you. So I'd continue to do more research on your best options as to how to place orders on stocks. And step number 5 would be learn the lingo. Now, that's very important because there are certain terms and phrases that are important to figure out when you're navigating through research, articles, and analysts. So this is very important to help your growth in investing in stocks. So again, quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. I hope you enjoyed the video, and of course, leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment if you thought this was informative. Also, leave a comment if you'd like for me to do a deeper dive on the 5 steps for investing in stocks for beginners. Have a good day. Thanks for joining me.